Hi, and welcome to this video. My name is Raj. I'm the founder of VoiceAIWrapper. Our platform allows you to connect API keys from leading providers like Vapi, Retell, and ElevenLabs and white label them under your brand and resell AI voice and AI chat under your brand. So I'm on this screen, which our users get to right after signing up for our 7-day free trial. And on this demo, I'll show you how to connect your provider keys. I'm going to use Vapi as an example here, and how to connect those keys to VoiceAIWrapper, and how to set up a test campaign and trigger a test call for yourself and view the results in analytics. So I've selected Vapi and I'm going to click on next. On the next screen, it asks me for my Vapi credentials. And we have some links here which directly take you to your Vapi account in case you're logged into your Vapi account. In my case, I'm just going to get my keys and pop them in here. Okay, I've added my Vapi keys and I'm ready to click next. Before we proceed, a couple of pointers here. Make sure the keys that you're using are unique and are not being used anywhere else. And in case you have a EU specific account with Vapi, just switch on this toggle and this will change the account settings to suit your EU account type. The concurrency that you see here is the same concurrency that I have in my Vapi org. In VoiceAIWrapper, you can connect multiple Vapi orgs, or you can also connect multiple providers. So you can connect Vapi, Retell, ElevenLabs, Bolna, Ultravox, all inside one VoiceAIWrapper account, and also add multiple orgs and workspaces from those providers into one single VoiceAIWrapper account. So I'm going to click next now. And on the next screen, I'm asked what kind of a test campaign I want to create. So we have a choice of outbound, inbound, and inbound chat. So we have programmatic outbound campaigns, and I'll show you what we mean by programmatic. Similarly, we have inbound campaigns. We segregate incoming and outgoing calls into campaigns. Each has their own distinct analytics, settings, and functionality. And we also allow you to create web widgets, which you can white label under your brand and add to your client's website and track analytics. So I'm going to use outbound for this example, and I'm going to click on next. Based on the agents that I have in my Vapi org, the platform just shows a random agent and a random phone number inside my account for this test. And I'm going to click on next to create my campaign. Now, due to this integration, the server URL is replaced in your Vapi agent. And if you have any forwarding webhook, that URL is automatically placed under campaign settings so that you do not lose anything. And I will confirm this change before I proceed. So now I'm on the campaigns page, the test campaign that we just created. I'm just going to skip through these onboarding hints. Okay, done. So right now I have a test campaign. And if I go into settings, I'll see that it has picked this specific agent, Riley. Click on sync now to make sure I can use this agent. And then I have this particular phone number. I'll click on sync now on this number as well. Next, I'll go to settings and I'll choose yesterday's date just to make sure that I get an instant call. And right now I don't have a single lead, so I'm going to add myself to be called by the agent. So I'm going to add my name. So I added a lead manually just to show you for the demo purpose. You can also upload leads to be called using a CSV file. And we also have an API function using which you can add leads from any CRM system. My leads are added, my schedule is set, and now I'll just go ahead and click on activate campaign. This should trigger a call on my mobile anytime now. There you go. Hello? Hey, Riley, I'm busy. I can't talk right now. Thank you. Okay. So I've just received the call, and if I go into calls here, I'll see the call that I just took. I'll get the call summary, the recording and everything. And if I head over to analytics, I'll see the analytics based on the call that I just took right now. Okay. So this is how campaigns work. And if there's anything that goes wrong, sometimes leads fail, sometimes numbers drop. We have a built-in health check here, which ensures your campaign is healthy and running fine. Once you have created a campaign, whether it's an inbound or outbound campaign, you can then assign these campaigns to your client portal. Thank you for watching this. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support on our support chat built right into the app.